Hey everyone, welcome back to Phonics with Uncle Sam. Today we introduce a new sound, and that's a digraph. But before we do that, let's go into sound revision. Do like I do, I do, I do. Do like I do, I do, I do. What sound is this? Ah. What sound is this? Eh. What sound is this? E. What sound is this? O. What sound is this? O. And what sound is this? Oh, good job. Now, let's go into today's story as we introduce our new digraph. Ivy is in town when the army are marching. Left, right. She stops to watch them. She likes seeing the men and women in their smart uniforms with their shirts and ties. They salute, and Ivy tries to copy them. Aye, aye, Captain. Aye, aye, Captain. Have you ever seen an army before? What do you think the armies do? They protect our nation. They help maintain law and order. Good. So in today's lesson, we introduce the sound I. And the action for this sound is I. Aye, aye, Captain. I. And the letters that represent this sound are the letters I and E coming together and making the sound I. Good. Now let's quickly go into today's song. The captain said aye, aye. The captain said aye, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye, aye. The captain said aye, aye. The captain said aye, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye, aye. Aye, aye, Captain. Good job. Let's add sound dots to today's words and see if we can be able to read them. And today's words have today's sound I. So these are our words for the day. So we have the sound L and I. L, I. Lie. Good. Number 2, we have T. I'd. T, I'd. Tide. Number 3, we have D. I. D. I. Die. And number 4, we have I'd. I'd. Fried. Good. So we have lie, tide, die, and fried. Good job. Now let's quickly go into our sound pictures and see if we can be able to identify today's sound in the following pictures. So what is our first picture? This. Can you tell me what you can see in that picture? That's a tie. Yes, that's a tie. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word tie? Yes. Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or it's at the end? It's at the end. Good job. So this is the word tie. Our next sound picture is, what are these? Flies. Yes, these are flies. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word flies? Yes. And where is the sound? It's in the middle. Flies. And this is the word flies. 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 Good. Our next picture. What's that? A pie. Yummy. A yummy pie. So that's a pie. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word pie? Yes. Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or it's at the end? It's at the end. Good. Now, here is the word pie. 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 And in our last picture, What is this? It's a road. Yes. Where is this road going? Is it going to Damascus? Road. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word road? Road. Nah, nothing. This is how the word road looks. Road. Road. Good job. Now let's try and write the following sounds and words in our books. Write the sound I. I. Number 2, write the sound O. O. Number 3, now write the word die. Die. And number 4, write the word loaf. Loaf. Good job. Now, thank you for sticking around. This was Phonics with Uncle Sam. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Remember to get yourself a copy of the Jolly Phonics Teacher's Guide, available at Beyond Ourselves Zambia. All you need to do is search for their Facebook page, Beyond Ourselves Zambia. Follow them and then inbox them, Uncle Sam sent me, and you'll be able to get the book at 10% discount. So follow their page, inbox, Uncle Sam sent me, and you'll be given instructions on how you can actually acquire this book at 10% discount. Hurry, hurry.